Hello and welcome to video number 6 of the EDS education program. In this video we are going to deal with rules. Rules may be used in the mindset detector for two purposes. The first is the rules detector. This detector notifies when an engineering-based rule set by the user is violated by the data. The second purpose of rules is to govern a detector's activation. Each detector, as already noted in previous tutorials, has an on-rule and off-rule options. On-rule ensures that the detector operates only if a given rule is true. Off-rule ensures that the detector operates only if a given rule is off. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to build rules. Rule construction and monitoring is performed using the rule panel. To access this panel, please see the button location which appears on the screen. Note that rules are model-specific. This means one needs to define different rules for each model. Once you enter the rule panel, a list of defined rules is presented. The list contains the rule's ID number, which is a unique number that identifies a specific rule in the database. The tag name is the variable that contains the rule's results. The rule name is a free description of the rule. The rule logic describes the Boolean expression used to evaluate the rule. The count field shows the number of records in the database that provides a true answer for this rule. This result is shown only after testing the rule. The last check field shows when the rule was last scanned by the EDS engine. And the result field shows the result of the last scan. Note that this table is updated only when the EDS engine is running. You may enter the rule construction panel by clicking on the Add Rule or Update Rule buttons in the previous slide. This panel is where you define the rule's logic. The upper two fields enable the user to set the rule tag and description. The main board is where the rule logic is set. The rule logic must obey the structure of the Boolean expression. An example is shown on the screen. All of the model's fields may be used. They are listed on the right-hand side of the screen. All of the functions listed on the right-hand side of the screen may be used. You may enter a field name or a function by double-clicking on its name from the list. The variable name or function is inserted in the cursor's last position. Once you are satisfied with the rule structure, click the OK button, located at the bottom of the screen. At any moment, it is possible to activate or deactivate the scanned rules by using the buttons located on the left-hand side of the screen. The last button may be used to scan the rule's result. Please note, a request to scan a large database may take several seconds. As was mentioned earlier in this video, rules may be used in two places. The first is rule detector, as shown in this slide. This detector has all the normal properties of any detector and was explained in one of the previous videos. However, what makes this detector operate is the rule attached to it as indicated on the screen. Note that the statistics which appear at the bottom of the detector panel show the number of false positive, true positive, and other options that occurred while the rule was being used as a detector logic. The second place where rules may be used is in any detector's rule on or rule off fields. Rule on ensures that the detector operates only if a given rule is true. Rule off ensures that the detector operates only if a given rule is off. We hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions, please post them at the address listed below. This ends movie number 6. We hope to see you at movie number 7.